Daniel, thanks for joining us today. You got to break this one down for me because, I mean, this is like so fundamental to the American dream. The fact that you can roll up your sleeves, get to work hard, and rise through the ranks. What's wrong with that?
So that's much, much harder to do now than it used to be. And one of the reasons is that the middle has been stripped out of the labor market. Look, we've all heard statistics like that a CEO used to make about 20 times what a production worker makes. Now it's 300 times. But it's not just CEOs. A doctor used to make 4 times what a nurse makes. Now it's 8 times. A partner at a law firm used to make about 5 times what a legal secretary makes. Now it's 40 times. A bank president used to make about 50 times what a bank teller makes. Now it's 1,000 times. And what's happened is that the good middle-class, mid-skilled jobs that used to dominate work have been destroyed and replaced with a lot of gloomy jobs at the bottom and a few super elite glossy jobs at the top. And if we want to fix inequality, what we really have to do is fix that. We have to fix work.
But Daniel, just to push back on that a little bit, when you talk about something like bank tellers or, administrative assistants in offices, I mean, you can make the argument that automation also has eroded those jobs and those opportunities as well.
Sure, automation is part of the story, but automation didn't have to go the way in which it has gone in this country. So that if you look at an economy like the German economy, which is an incredibly high-tech, incredibly highly automated economy, it's also one in which robots and computers have been deployed to mix with middle-class workers so that mid-skilled labor continues to do very well there. Whereas in our economy, what we've done is we've invented particular kinds of technologies that make super-skilled workers incredibly productive and make it possible for them to do without the middle-class workers who used to dominate the labor market. So yes, automation is part of the problem, but we could fix that by having different kinds of automation from the kinds that we now have.